Meaning of dish.
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 Dish. The word dish has multiple definitions, but generally refers to a shallow container used for serving or preparing food. It can also refer to a particular type of food prepared in a specific manner, such as a seafood dish or vegetarian dish. Additionally, the term to dish can be used as a verb meaning to gossip or reveal secrets about someone. In general, the term dish is associated with food and meal preparation, but can also have a social connotation related to sharing information or gossiping about others.